The following is the operating tutorial of the host. Check the gearbox before starting the machine. If it can move up and down, it is in the neutral position. Then pull up the clutch, start the diesel engine, pull the clutch, and shift the gears. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and reverse gears. The winch is on the top. The left side is to brake the winch to prevent it from turning. The right side is the brake pod. The wire rope is wound and the winch turns. Below is the operating valve of the machine. Pressing the leftmost one down is to quickly increase the pressure. Turning the plum blossom handle to the left reduces the pressure, and turning it to the right increases the pressure.